I learned that if, in fact, God forbid, someone does get injured like I did, or worse, they need to contact an attorney right away and get the ball rolling. Someone that's gonna speak for you and lead you in the right directions. Because when I did first get hurt, I was in Mass General, and I had insurance companies calling my house wanting to come see me. And my wife was told me later that when I first got hurt, that same day there was, I don't know whether they were from the construction company or whoever, they wanted to come right out and they wanted to interview me, and I wasn't in any condition to sit with anybody or talk with anybody. And that's one thing I suggest, that if God forbid something does like that happen to any guy or girl in the departments, that you need to talk with an attorney. Because when you get banged up like I did and you go in, you may do something that you might not want to do. You may sign off your extent of your injuries. You may sign a piece of paper that says that, okay, we'll cover your medical, that you ride to the hospital. And long term, you don't know, if you're going to be. In my case, it was over almost 5 years that I had to go to all these different therapies and rehab sessions, and
you don't know at the beginning how long this whole thing's going to last.
No idea. So it's to your benefit and to your family's benefit that you do get a hold of someone that knows, how to handle these things. And I mean that. And everything that you did for me up front, and you said this is what we're going to do and everything, it's true to the word. So can't get any better than that. And like I said, that if anybody, God forbid, or again gets in a position like myself, if they don't call you and your firm, they're making a great mistake. I think that you're in the business, you specialize in that, and that's important. And it was important to me. And if anybody that I know that has a problem similar or even close, I would recommend that they contact you.
Thanks for that. Thank you, Joe.
So.
Appreciate that.
The thing is too, is like you read in the Sentinel, it's like, and I have myself, and I can say, I used to read the story, I call them the stories. You go, oh, it's great stuff. You read about the different cases. There was case law in there and all kinds of stuff over the years. And you read it, and it sounds pretty good, but until it gets close, you say, okay, this happened out in Worcester. And then it happens over here, and then all of a sudden, the web gets a little tighter. And then when it hits home, it's a lot of people. I don't think a lot of people recognize when they see a picture in the Sentinel that what you really do for a lot of officers. You do a lot.